what's up? This is Eric from Satisfied Incorporated. Today I want to make a super short video on the E30 steering knuckles, steering shaft. So all I wanted to talk about today was I've been rebuilding a lot of these things. And what I'm doing is I'm just adding in the aluminum coupler, and then I'm shortening it up so you can do the steering rack conversion that is very popular on the E30s. But that means that I'm also dealing with a lot of used steering shafts. So the interesting thing that I'm finding is that a lot of these things, people are saying that the U-joint is bound up. And I've just kind of been taking risks because I've needed so many of these that I just need to take what I can get. So a lot of them have been shipped to me saying that the U-joints are no good. And what I'm actually finding is that the U-joints are actually fine. It's the dirt and grime that's stuck inside the seals and whatnot. So all I'm doing is super simple here is, well, I sandblast these and I get these cleaned up, but you don't even need to do that. I get these shafts straight from the people, and I'm just spraying PB Blaster and I'm letting it sit. So both of these, I have these steering knuckles here that were, they were bound up, U-joints. You can see that these things are, I mean, and they didn't even barely move when I got them, and now they're loose and nice. So it makes me wonder, when people talk about these things going out, how many are actually going out and how many just get so much grime built up on the inside and the seals there, and that's what's causing them to not flex and move. I'm actually wondering if there is many, there's got to be some, but how many of these get tossed because they think the U-joint's gone when it's actually not. You can see this one barely wants to move, so I'll clean this one up. But anyway, check that out if you think you got a messed up steering knuckle. My bet is that it's not messed up and that it just needs some PB Blaster around the seals and cleaned up. And if you happen to have one of these that does have a U-joint that's messed up, let me know. I'd be interested in maybe getting it from you, because I was going to check out different options of how to fix that also. So contact me, info@satisfiedincorporated.com is the email. Of course, always check out the website if you need parts. If you want a whole rebuilt one of these, or if you need the spacers for the steering rack conversion, the aluminum coupler if yours is going out, or if you want to just beef it up and everything. Satisfiedincorporated.com. Let me know. Thanks for watching the video.